This is a federal investigation. I'm here, Agent McKinley, to tell you about how we can find crucial evidence of who killed this victim. It may seem in this crime scene that the murderers fled, we can't really tell who it is. All we got is a dead body and a murder weapon.
Using DNA forensics, we can figure out a lot of things.
For instance, we can take the handle of this murder weapon, and by checking it for samples of cells containing DNA, we can track just this simple weapon back to the person who wielded it.
Now let's head to the lab, where our top scientist is working to figure out the murderer for this case.
Hey, Agent McKinley, did you bring the evidence I asked for?
I got it right here. Sign these papers.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll get right to work. Hi, I'm Dr. Jebediah Johnson, and I have just signed for this evidence from Agent McKinley, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to extract some DNA from it, and then after that we're going to use a method known as PCR, or polymerase chain reaction, where we denature the DNA, and then we use polymerase to cause it to replicate, and so we can have a larger sample of a specific part of the DNA, and then we perform electrophoresis on that, and then we can use that to separate different markers out for our criminal or our victim or whoever we're trying to find the DNA for. But in this case it's our criminal. We want to find the killer, whoever murdered this man brutally.
We can find DNA in a lot of places on a crime scene. Under fingernails, in hair, on the handle of a knife or baseball bat, in dirty laundry, in a glass bottle or eyewear.
So we've analyzed the DNA, and so this is the DNA from the crime scene, this is the DNA of the victim, and our first suspect was his DNA that we found on the knife. So we're going to have him taken into custody. Agent McKinley is on that right now.
DNA forensics has really taken a large leap forward in criminal investigating. It has given us a way to look deeper into if criminals are actually guilty or if they're really innocent. DNA forensics are now being used to identify death row patients to see if they really committed these horrible crimes that they have been accused of committing. Now, over 20 inmates have been proven not guilty that were originally on the death row list. This would mean that innocent people would be losing their lives because they were accused for a crime they didn't commit.
So we have analyzed the DNA.
Oh, we have a slight problem. The computer screen's too bright.
Go.
This is a federal investigation. I'm here. Agent. Damn it, what's my agent name?
Alright, so just hand me the clip over and ask for that, right? Hey, Agent McKinley.
Okay. Now, give me that. Hold that up and pour
pour the... No, just keep looking at it. Don't worry about how stupid it looks.